At 2:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Crozet, or 10 miles east of Waynesboro, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Crozet, Yancey Mills, Greenwood, North Garden, and Batesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official national...
Oh, he posted me a picture of the guys. It's actually Parker from Life of Luxury, but look, it's guys!
Northeast winds around 5 miles an hour.
SVA!
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 420, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Albemarle, Culpeper, Fluvanna, Greene, Louisa, Madison, Nelson, Orange, and Spotsylvania, and the Virginia independent city of Charlottesville. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Brr.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe
Blacksburg.
thunderstorm warning for Appomattox County in central Virginia, northeastern Campbell County in central Virginia, northeastern Bedford County in south central Virginia, southern Buckingham County in central Virginia, southeastern Amherst County in central Virginia, the city of Lynchburg in central Virginia, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Buckingham to Stonewall to near Coleman Falls, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lynchburg, Buckingham, Appomattox, Dillwyn, Van Creek, Concord, and Rustburg. This includes the following locations: Liberty University and Lynchburg Airport. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service.
Alright, I'm really frustrated right now because I cannot access my Hacking On movie library for the love.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has
Blacksburg!
thunderstorm warning for southern Appomattox County in Central Virginia, northwestern Charlotte County in South Central Virginia, Campbell County in Central Virginia, northeastern Pennsylvania County in South Central Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Evergreen to Everington, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Midwest.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted: Perth, Brookmeal, Phoenix, Red House, Rustburg, and Everington. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows.
Midwest.
Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter.